Drop it.
Namaste, Assalamualaikum. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Dewi's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a secret coconut chutney. So let's see what all we need. For the secret coconut recipe, here I have peanut, I have urad dal, I have chana dal, jeera, and chili. So you can use as much chili as you want as per your taste, just how much spice you want to add. If you like spicy, you can add more. If you don't like spicy, you can reduce the chili. Hing, curry leaf, big red chili, and then I have a mustard seeds, and then another urad dal and chana dal. So for this, I add for the roasted peanut, I will add 2 spoons of coconut oil. So once the oil is hot, now we add cumin seeds, and then the urad dal. Slightly mix well till they are golden brown, but do not burn it. Golden brown. Then add peanut, add hing, just pinch of hing. Here I use hing powder. Roast it. Now add the chili. After the peanut is done, now add the coconut and roast it for a while. Mix well. Now switch off the flame. Do not burn it. Switch off the flame. When it's cooling down, put in the blender. Now we blend into a smooth and nice coconut chutney. When it's cool, now we put in the blender. Add 1 cup of water. Add half a cup of yogurt. Salt as per your taste. Now blend into a very. One is ready. Move to another bowl. Okay friends, so this is how is it. We can add a little water if you're finding too thick. Now we make the tempering part. For making the tempering, add 1 spoon of coconut oil. Add mustard seeds, chana dal and urad dal. Just remember friends, once the mustard seed crackles, then you add the chana dal and urad dal. Now add red chili and curry leaf. One is done. Switch off the flame. Add into the coconut chutney. Very tasty coconut chutney. That's how my chutney comes out very good, very tasty, because I add roasted peanut in it. So friends, please try this at home and eat with dosa or idli or upma. My secret coconut chutney is ready. Roasted peanut is my secret. So easy, right? So please do try this at home and then let me know how it comes out by comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So friends, Dewi's Kitchen is about inspiring others to cook. So it's me Dewi. I'm signing off. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.